Okay, so to get to the starting point, we have to go to Stanley first. I'm gonna take the bus here. Let's see what the next one is. I'm just gonna show some pictures in the background. Hong Kong is super beautiful, and sometimes you wonder if you're like on the French Riviera or something. There's so much to see, so I just want to show you some clips here before I get there. It's 30 degrees outside, so it's very important to stay hydrated. So I'm gonna have some water and then this interesting coffee caramel Coke with 0 calories. I'm gonna drink that on the boat. So let's get going. So we're now in Stanley here, and the pier is over there, and we got 10 minutes to go. So let's get going there fast. So we're gonna take the boat here from the Blake Pier in Stanley. It seems we have perfect timing. There's a lot of people here. Hope we can make it. Okay, so we arrived. Let's go to the restaurant and get some food before the whole place gets overcrowded, and then let's explore the island once we get some food. There's a small little cafe, looks nice. And let's walk and get some food here before the whole boat gets here. Local nice stuff going on here. You can hear a lot of noise here, and it's actually a beach. I didn't bring my swimming clothes, but maybe next time. This looks super nice. Let's go down there and get some food. So supposedly this restaurant is quite famous, so I'm gonna go there and get some seafood. Hope they have some spots left, and maybe a beer. It's the entrance. Very interesting. Oh, it's a lot of people. There? Okay, it's okay? Oh great, thank you. Wow. Got the best spot. Next to the water. That is fantastic. And they're having some nice food. Now it is pretty noisy here, but let's see what they have on the menu. Beef, pork, chicken. I'm definitely gonna have some seafood, fish, prawn, lobster, crab. Wow, let's see. So I think I'm definitely gonna have some fried rice with barbecue pork and shrimp, and then I'm probably gonna have one fish with black bean and chili sauce, and then maybe some squid with black pepper, and perhaps something more. Let's see. Okay, one deep fried squid, and then I want to have the steamed fish with black bean, and then fried rice with barbecue pork and shrimp, and also some scallops with garlic and glass noodles.
50 per piece.
50 per piece. Okay, I can have 2 pieces, then one big Tsingtao beer. Okay, so the fish was maybe a bit too much, so I'm gonna have a smaller order, but I think it's still gonna be a very relaxing and nice area here. One whole fish is probably a bit too much, but still very enjoyable to sit here and try a few different dishes. Okay, so we got the beer, now we can start the meal. That looks fantastic. Let's try it. Cheers. That was refreshing. Start to a nice Saturday. Okay, so it seems we got ourselves the first dish. Let's try it out. Definitely not too bad background to try this. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, life is good right now. Shake. Wow, it's amazing. I'm even gonna eat that head. Okay. Ooh, now we got this one's coming in. Getting better and better. Nice. So we got the beer first, nice, and then we got the crispy prawns here, and we got, I think, soy sauce. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe it's sweet and sour. Let's see. Wow, nice. Wow, if this isn't heaven, I don't know. Holy wow. It's like sweet and sour with crispy prawns. No, a squid. Wow, it's amazing. This is life, I can tell you. Now, I've seen a few things in my life, but this view and this food is definitely quite unbeatable right now. I can tell you that. So crispy. And then we got the shrimp here with the chili and the soy sauce. This is insanely good. Wow, you need to come in and try this. This is definitely worth every dollar. Cheers, guys. Tsingtao. This is great. Fantastic day. Wow. Okay, so now we got all the food. We got the fried rice, we got the scallops. That looks fantastic. We also have, of course, the squid and the shrimp, so let's try it out. This is gonna be insanely good. Okay, let's go for the fried rice. This looks insanely nice. I'm gonna try this. Nice, that's a lot of carbs right there. That is insanely good. I'm so hungry. Only had a small breakfast. Wow. Okay, let's try the scallops. This looks insanely good. Wow, it's insanely good. Wow. I was never really into seafood, but this is a different level. I love this combination of like scallop and like glass noodles. It's insanely good. For those of you who are skeptical of seafood, you need to try this. This is a different level for sure. Let's go back and have some more fried rice. I rarely eat rice, but it's so nice. Definitely next level. These shrimp are so good. No need for dinner after this. These squid with the sweet and sour sauce. Oh, Definitely next level. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up the food here and then let's move on and explore the island. Okay, so everything is done. Definitely not a healthy portion size for one person. I'm guessing like 2,000 calories or more. And there's a lot of sounds in the background, but okay, we got the energy back. The muscles are filled with a lot of carbs. Now let's go exploring. It's Mid-Autumn Festival, so there's a lot of nice decorations going here. And this place and a lot of other places as well. It's pretty nice here. You have a lot of small places, but it's actually a really small island. Barely no people live here. It's very, very local here. So I'm gonna go and check out the temple here on the end of the island. I actually only have 1 hour left because the ferries are not that frequent today because it's holiday. But still nice to just get away and see some new things outside of the city. Here you can buy some fresh seaweed if you want. Not really my thing, but always nice to support the local economy. And it's sunny, so people have umbrellas so you don't get tan because you don't want that. Don't have the boats coming in. Let's see what's around this corner. Getting closer. There are a few different temples here in Hong Kong, but this is the Tian Hao. Very nice. It's really nice here, peaceful and calm, a little bit windy. That's something you have to take when you're here. You have the boats passing by, going back. Really, really nice. Highly recommend to go and visit if you haven't been. Very different than central Hong Kong, that is for sure. Okay, so you can actually hike up that hill. I'm not sure if I have enough time to do it, but I'm gonna try. So let's see if I make it. Oh, some old houses here. Definitely need some repair, that's for sure. Okay, so I think you get up here. Let's see if I can make it. Quite steep, and I already had like a leg session this morning. Wow, this house might need to do some adjustments. It is quite steep here. Definitely burning some of that beer calorie. That's good. It's kind of a tough hike up, but definitely starts to get rewarding with this view. That is for sure. We have some way up to go. Let's see here. Let's go see if we can make it. 7 minutes to Coffee and Rock. Let's see if that's sure. If it's correct or not. Okay, I'm starting to see a signpost here. There's a lot of nature sounds in the background. Really calm, but I think it's gonna be quite windy when I get up. Okay, so we got Coffee and Rock there. Mo's old house. I'm not sure where that is, but this is the view. Maybe this is good enough. So it's starting to get a little bit windy. I'm gonna try the drone here instead so it doesn't fly away in the wind, and also make it back down to the pier. Now that is a pretty spectacular view, and sunset I'm sure too. Okay, time to say bye-bye to this view. Got 40 minutes to go. Let's get going down. Okay, getting down. 10 minutes to go. Let's see. Let's hope I make it. People are starting to come up here, so I guess that means that the boat should be here. Let's see. Running down is probably not the best idea, but it's not the first time I run down a hill, so hope I can make it. And we are back with the old lady and some music. The boat still seems to be here. That is great news. Didn't have time to explore this place this time, but at least I'm going back, so it's a good start for the next time. Okay, so I'm gonna jump on the boat here, get back, but if you like it, give me a like. Let me know if you want to see more of this stuff. Quite intensive touristing just today, but if you want to see more stuff, let me know. I'll see you in the next video.